High wind statement for counties in New York, Jefferson and Lewis. High wind watch in effect from Sunday afternoon through Monday evening. West, south to southeast winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour possible through late Sunday night. Winds become southwest later Monday with a few gusts up to 50 miles per hour. Where, Jefferson and Lewis counties. Strongest gusts Sunday night expected along the northwest and northern face of the Tug Hill. Strongest wind gusts Monday will be region wide. When, from Sunday afternoon through Monday evening. Strongest gusts are expected Sunday night. Impacts, strong winds may blow down trees and power lines. Scattered power outages are possible. Travel may be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Monitor the latest forecasts and warnings for updates. Secure or shelter objects in a safe location prior to the onset of the strong winds. The 2 p.m.